Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today we will start our new point, that is subtracting a two-digit number from a two-digit number with regrouping. So in this we will subtract the two-digit number from each other. So example is given, subtract 19 from 34. So we have to subtract 19 from 34. So for subtraction we need to arrange the given sum in place value chart column. Here it is given in place value chart column. So 34 minus 19. Starting from ones column, 4 minus 9. So in subtraction our first condition is what? Is to check first number should be bigger than second one. It is not there. You can see this 4 is smaller than 9. So we can't subtract 9 from 4. So what we will do? We will take a borrow from next column. That means what? We regroup 110 from tens column. So here is in tens column 3 is there. So if we take 110 from it, how many will remain? 2. And 110 plus 4 is become 14. So now first number is bigger than second one? Yes. So we can subtract 9 from 14. So how we will subtract? We will count after small number up to big number. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many? 5. So 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer is here 15. With that we will start our exercise 4.2. The first question is given, solve the following subtraction problems. In that the first is given 32 minus 15. Starting from ones column. First we need to check first number should be bigger than second. Is it there? No. So we can't subtract 5 from 2. So what we will do? We will regroup 110 from the tens column. So if we take 110, how many will remain here? Here is 3. So if we take 110, how many will remain? 2. So 2 and 110 plus 2 is become 12. So now first number is bigger than second one? Yes. So we can subtract 5 from 12. So how we will do it? We will count after small number up to big number. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 7. So we will write over here 7 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, 75 minus 29. So starting with the first column, 5 minus 9. Here you can see 5 is smaller than 9. So we can't subtract 9 from 5. So what we will do? We will take again borrow from its next. Now next is 7. So if we take 110 from 7, how many will remain? 7 minus 1 is 6. So we will write here 6 and 110 plus 5 is became 15. So 15. Now first number is bigger than second. So subtraction is possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 6. So we will write over here 6 and 6 minus 2. Count after small up to big. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 4. So your answer is here 46. The third sum is given 63 minus 35. Starting from ones column. So here you can observe that 3 is smaller than 5. So we can't subtract 5 from 3. So again we need to take a borrow from its next. Now next is 6. If we take 110 from 6, how many will remain? 6 minus 1 is 5. And 110 plus 3 is become 13. So now first number is bigger than second? Yes. So subtraction will possible now. So count after small number up to big number. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 8. So we will write over here 8 and 5 minus 3. After small up to big. After 3, 4 and 5. That is 2. So your answer is here 28. So now I hope that you can solve the rest of the sum by your own. Question number 2, arrange in column and subtract. The examples are given. First you have to arrange that sums in place value chart column and then you have to subtract it. The first is given 56 minus 28. So first number is 56. Now 6 is on which place? 6 is on ones place. As 6 is on ones place, so 6 is on ones. 5 is on tens, so 5 is on tens. Then 28, 8 is on ones place, so 8 is on ones and 2 is on tens. Now we have to perform the subtraction. Now you can see 56 minus 28. So starting with the ones column, 6 minus 8. As 6 is smaller than 8, we can't subtract it. So again we will regroup the tens column. We will take 1 tens from tens column. So how many here? 5. So if we removed 1 from 5, how many will remain here? 4. And 110 plus 6 is become 16. Now 16 minus 8 possible. First number is bigger than second. Yes. So 16 minus 8 possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is 8. So 8 and 4 minus 2 is after 2 up to 4. 3, 4. That is 2. So your answer is here 28. Next is 73 minus 47. So 73, 3 is on ones place. So 3 is on ones column. 7 is on tens. So 7 is on tens. Then again 47. 7 is on ones. So 7 is on ones and 4 is on tens. Starting with ones column. 3 minus 7 possible. As 3 is smaller than 7, we can't subtract it. So we will take borrow from it next. Next is 7. So if we take 110 from 7, how many will remain? 6. So here is 6 and 110 plus 3 is become 13. Now 13 minus 7 possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 6. So 6 and 6 minus 4. Count after small number up to big number. After 4, 5, 6. That is 2. So your answer is here 26. I will solve your D sum. D is 84 minus 27. So 84 minus 27. So 4 minus 7. As 4 is smaller than 7, we can't subtract it. So we will take borrow from it next. Next is 8. If we will take 110 from 8, how many will remain here? 7. And 110 plus 4 is become 14. Now first number is bigger than second number. So subtraction is possible. Count after small number up to big number. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 7 only. So 7 and 7 minus 2. After small up to big. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 5. So your answer is here 57. So this is how you can solve the given sums. I hope you can try the rest of the sum by your own.